Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making Kunu Zaki. Kunu Zaki, right? Yeah. So with me is someone I consider an expert. She makes really nice kunu. So I decided to meet her, let her show us her recipe. So mommy, introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Lydia Adidi.
Okay, yeah. She's in France, she's a neighbor, and she makes really good kunu. And what I've realized is that people from different areas make their kunu in slightly different ways. So she's going to show us how she makes her own kunu. Let's go and see. So we're going to make it a Guinea corn. So this is going to be soaked for about 6 hours before it's taken to the mill for grinding. We're also going to be using this. This is what Dankali, right? Okay, Dankali. It's actually sweet potatoes that have been cut and dried, and this is called Tiro in Hausa. Okay, I think she said it's rice that has been soaked and allowed to germinate for a bit, then it's taken out and dried. And this is dried ginger, and this is clove. I like the name, the way they call it in Hausa, Canampari. That's the name. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to soak all this together for about an hour. So you can wait when your Guinea corn is almost ready, then you can now start soaking this. So now the Guinea corn is being washed. This is just how you wash it, right? How many times do you wash?
Till the clean, till the stone finish.
Okay.
Yes.
Alright.
Continue washing when the stone is over.
Okay. Alright. Thank you. Little particles are just the stones that were inside, and here is the water. So you wash it until the water comes clean. This is the first wash, because these things are normally just kept open in the market and little dirt and dust just gets in. So this is the first wash. This is how the water is, so dirty. So this is the Canampari, the ginger, the Dankali, and Tiro, right? Yes. This is everything. She just pounded them. She said it just makes it easier for the grinding process. It makes it smoother. So as like this is going to go to the mill for grinding. So this is off to the mill now, taking this for grinding. Going to grind it into a smooth paste. Okay, this is already ground. So what's the stick for, Mommy?
To turn it.
Okay.
Yes.
But can you just use a normal spoon? As in cooking spoon?
Okay.
Now I'm just asking.
If you use it, if you turn it, if you get big one.
Okay.
Oh, turn
but
it.
This is more comfortable for you? Okay, no problem. And this is the Dankali, Canampari, and Tiro mix that has been ground. They grind them separately. We put water on fire, allow the water to boil. Before now, water is boiling very well, so we're going to now put in the Guinea corn mix, right? Okay. Guys, it's actually that you fetch the hot water into the bucket. She's not putting it on fire. I actually thought you were going to put it on fire. Okay. So just the hot water into this. Okay, I can see it's beginning to thicken. It's beginning to thicken. Wow. So after this, what next? You just stir it. Yes, you can see, guys, it's thickening. Wow. So you keep stirring until it's smooth, or what? You keep stirring it until it's smooth?
Yeah.
Until it gets smooth?
Yes.
Okay. The water put in has to be boiling water, because that's what cooks it. You can see the color has changed. It's no longer chalky. It's more like a pap-like look, because it's ready. The water has cooked it. That's why you need boiling water. Okay, as she was stirring, she noticed that the lower part of it was still not ready, so she's giving it a few minutes to get ready. I think if we had put it in a wider container, if the container was wider, it would have been better, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. Okay, all right. This one,
Kunun Zaki.
the face is changing. It has become completely thick, more like pap. She's taking her time to do this because she said if it's not very ready, if not properly cooked, the kunu can get sour. So that's why she's taking her time to make sure every part of it gets ready. Okay, we're going to take some of this and put in the Tiro mix.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Oh, this is like akamuna. Person fit just put sugar and drink it.
But they never fit that up.
So this is, she's mixing it now. So you're going to mix it until everything is properly mixed, right?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, we'll still divide.
Because this one is too small.
It's too small. So about half of the Guinea corn mix will be mixed with the Tiro.
Yes.
So now keep the half of.
You see they don't want that.
Yeah.
You see Amma?
Yes. It's about to rain, so we're going to make this snappy. Now she has finished mixing it. When this mix is cool, she's now going to put all of them together and cover overnight, right, Mommy Ezra?
Yes.
And cover it overnight. So we're going to see you guys tomorrow for the concluding part. How it looks the next morning. So we're just going to run this through a strainer. So we're going to strain it through. You need help with... Oh. Okay.
Oh yeah, you push, come out here. Go now.
So this is the kunu. As it's like this, it's ready. You just sweeten it to your taste. So this is chaff. You just dry it and you can feed chickens with it. So don't go to dry it and feed my chickens. Okay, so here's the kunu. We've bottled it. When you want to drink, you just shake it and drink. So, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe. From how kunu is being made, I now realize the health concerns with some people, because I know some people always say I can't take kunu outside, or I can't take kunu unless I know who makes it. Now that I've seen the process from beginning to end, I understand why they say so. So you have a recipe now to make your own kunu at home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Until next time, bye.